For 5 years, I thought I was decent with money. Then I actually wrote down every dollar I spent in a month. What I found was embarrassing, and it changed everything. Here is the simple system I have used ever since. People who write their budget spend 20% less. It is that simple. Spending you cannot see is spending you cannot control. Takes 10 minutes a month and pays back all month long. 1 page. Income at the top. All expenses listed below. Fixed versus variable columns side by side for easy comparison. Savings gets its own line, always treated as a non-negotiable expense. On the 15th of every month, I check every category for overages. Catch overspending before it becomes a problem, not after. Takes 5 minutes and prevents a week of financial stress. Green means on track, yellow means watch it, red means over budget. Your brain reads color faster than numbers. This makes it instant. No math required. You know your status in seconds. Which categories went over and by how much? Was it a one-time thing or is it a recurring pattern? Adjust next month's budget. Never adjust your life to fit bad spending. The free monthly budget tracker in the description is the exact one-page system I just walked you through. Download it from the link below. It is already set up with all the categories. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.